I'm Jonathan with SampleServe, and in this lesson we'll go over how to edit and generate isochemical contour maps within the report section of the web app. Once you're in this section, there's a few different things you can do before you generate your sitemaps. You can decide which sitemaps you want to use, and then you can choose whichever dates you want the contours to display of. Right now we're doing January 26th of 2012. The numbers that are shown on this map are the total contamination levels for those locations, which are tied to the substances menu. You can turn on and off whichever substances you don't want to be displayed within these values. So when we're ready to go for the contour, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you put in a theoretical boundary of no contamination. By doing this, you can just right-click on your mouse to add in this 0 boundary. We're saying without reasonable doubt that this contamination is not outside of this barrier. If we don't like a location, like if we know this location is not a valid point, we can click that and turn that location off, or you can just turn it back on by simply clicking it again. We can then decide if we want to have the 0 line show up on the map or not. We can decide if we want it to be a heat map or not. We want the scaling to be linear or logarithmic, and then if we want to add a title. And then lastly, we can change the units for the isochemical contour. So once we're ready and we like what we're having, we can click Generate. This will load up and run some calculations and then generate a PDF report for you to use. Once it's done loading, you'll download the file and then you can open up that file to preview the report that you've just generated. I'm going to open it up here. And then you can see we've got our isochemical lines right here. And then if we wanted to, we could turn this into a heat map, like I said as well. And that is how you edit and generate isochemical contours within the SampleServe reporting section. For more how-to videos, please visit us at sampleserve.com. Thank you.